Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Java SE Development Kit on Windows 10. Type Java download in browser search bar. Click Java SE Downloads. Click Download under Oracle JDK. Check Accept License Agreement. Click exe file to download. Open downloaded file. Click Next to continue installation. Click Next to continue installation. Click Close. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.